Today, we're about to do a serpentine belt on this Q50 3.0. I'm about to do under it since it's up there. Will be a little more work. Let me show you. You have to remove this out the way and maybe the fan. But under it, as you see, show you. It's right here. You're gonna try to do it. It's my first time doing it under the car, so we're gonna see how that goes. I already had the diagram over here. Boom. And yeah, we're gonna try and get it from under here. Tension over there, right there. Let's loosen that. My engine cover is already off, so that's how you see under here. But if you have yours on, take it off first, obviously, and you'll see this. All you basically need is this, a ratchet that extends. Okay, you're gonna get in there to the tensioner. You should have a flat head. See how the flat is flat like that? The big one probably won't fit in here, but I don't have the big one. I have this one, so we're gonna get it on there. Right on the tensioner, right in. Try to put it. Alrighty, it is on. Okay, so you have to pull towards you, so towards my face. Let's change the movement. Okay. Now, see? Towards me. And take off the belt. Okay, let's loosen the belt off the tensioner, or wherever it's loose. Take this off like that. Let's hold this there with my knee. Let's go back a little more. And remove the tensioner off the alternator. Since it's right there. Alternator, since it's right there. There you go, it is off. Like, let go of this. Leave that there. Leave the ratchet there. Now let's take this off. Crank. Damn, getting ashy. Okay. Take this off here. The water pump. Okay. Alright. Take this off. Idler. It's coming off. Alrighty. Now it's just the tensioner right here. It's in the way. Alright. Let me take that off. Alright, so to take out the belt behind the tensioner, you have to pull it how we take it, like how we took it off. Put it towards you, and just take it out behind it. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing. You have to pull it towards me. Put the new belt on, and then route it the way we see on this paper right here. All right. So let's get the new one, put it on, and route it. All right, this brand is Gates. This is the part number right here. Boom, boom. If you're getting the same belt. Okay. Now let's route this. Make sure you turn this way. You turn it like this. Since we're gonna go around the tensioner like this. Put it around it, and yeah, let's do that. Okay, as you see, I'm going around it, behind it. Alright, it's over. Now let's route the belt. Start from here, go around there, around the tensioner. So basically follow this diagram to put it on. Well, I put this up like 3 times already. Follow this. and you should be good. So I would start from the top and work your way down, because you know if you start from the bottom, it's gonna be hard to go up there to put the belt. So I'll start from the top, work your way down. All right, so I got it on. Make sure you double check it. Make sure a teeth is not off the belt, any belt, because if a teeth is off, it's gonna rip. Start ripping and all that. So make sure all the teeth is aligned like that. You see how I sit flush? Flush. Check all of them. Okay, before you let go of the tensioner, tighten it. Okay, so I'm gonna double check mine and wrap it up. Make sure you come up here and check all the belts are aligned. As you see, it is aligned. Boom. No teeth is off. And as you see, the belt was, look at that, getting there. See that crack right there? So it was getting there. Another crack, look at that. Could be worse, but might as well change it now. Okay, and that's how you do a belt on this Q50 3.0 from under the car. If you do it on top, it's different. All right, so it's a little easier in the bottom. So yeah, so if it helps you out, give me a like, subscribe. Later.